Hello and welcome to Adventive University. In this video, we'll provide a tutorial on creating new ads from saved templates in the Rich Media Ad Builder. To start, we'll need to ensure that we have created and saved a template in the builder. From the dashboard, open the Rich Media Ad Builder, and once the builder loads, select the Saved Templates tab. Select the template you'd like to create a new ad from and click Submit. For this example, we will create a new banner ad with video from a saved template. A window will open over top of the template and prompt you to make changes to the same template, create a new global template, or create a new ad. Enter a unique name for the new ad. Ensure that new ad is selected and click Open. The new ad will then save and open in the builder. You can then replace assets and make any adjustments to the new ad at this time. You can easily replace assets both from the Screens and Layers panel or by right-clicking selected assets on your canvas. To replace an asset from the Screens and Layers panel, right-click on the layer and select Replace. The Asset menu will open and allow you to choose an asset to insert in place of the previous one. Select the asset you'd like to use and click Insert. The new asset will then replace the previous asset on your canvas. Alternatively, you can also replace assets by right-clicking the image on your canvas and selecting Replace Asset from the context menu. You can then hold Shift and click to resize the asset proportionally as needed. Not holding Shift will skew the selected asset or object. You do also have the option to lock the aspect ratio for the selected asset or object by clicking the link icon in between the width and height dimensions in the General Property panel. To replace the video file, simply select the video component on your canvas and click into the Video File field. The Asset menu will open and allow you to choose a new video file. Click Insert, and the new file will be inserted into the video component. You can also make any changes to text, colors, or the overall design of the unit as a whole. Once you have made the necessary updates to your new ad, save the ad, and you are all set. You can save your ad unit either by opening the File menu and clicking Save, or hitting Ctrl+S from your keyboard on a PC and Command+S on your keyboard from a Mac. The unit can also be previewed by clicking the Eyeball Preview tool in the left side toolbar. For more information on building and serving ads, please see our knowledge base or reach out to us directly at support@adventive.com. Thank you for watching.